What's up guys, Glenn here. Tomorrow we have a minute. Fuck.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm entering my bed.
Thank you very much for your
Oh shit.
One is long and hard. A fucking stick.
Did I give you content? Okay, now your turn. Give me content.
Film the magic.
Where's the magic? Where's the magic?
That's me. That's right. That's me.
I am so upset right now. Give us content. Ayoko na maging third wheel, boss na ako. Uwi na yata ako, third wheel na naman ako. Yun na naman si. Itong dalawang to kasalanan ko to. Nakanood. Ha? Bro, promote mo content mo. Promote mo content mo.
Motoson Vlog, yun. Ano yun sa version 2.
Pwede content. Deadpool. Yun lang. Okay, Lord. Content na yun. Ikaw rin.
Yeah, may magpa-picture.
Yes, ito. Hello, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, how about you, Sir BP?
This guy right here, he's a certified Nick.
I know. Go follow him. I forgot the film dish we are now eating, bro. What are we eating?
Mashed potato.
What are we eating?
Mashed potato.
What are we eating? Huh?
Wala namang
What?
sinabi.
Ano yun? Yeah, we're eating this. I don't know what it's called, but
Hot
it
shots,
is.
bro.
It's hot shots.
So I just found my boy sleeping and shit. Bro, what the fuck is he looking at? Hey, yo! Hold on, enhance. What is that? Oh shit! Bro's looking at waifus before he died. Bro's looking at waifus before he died, bro. Look at him. He been looking at waifus before he died. Busan! Ano yung pinag-aralan mo?
Ano, about sa art.
Art! Bro, studying about art and shit.
Inaano na yung demon art, ano niya?
Sheesh! It's the end of the event. Bro, how's the event?
It's good.
It's good, right?
It's good.
How's the event?
Skip it. The toilet.
The event is done. How's it?
It's good.
It was good. Yeah. Spider-Man, how the event is done, right?
Yeah.
How's the event?
It was great.
Great.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. 1 out of 10.
I'd give it 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Let's fucking go. It's done, right? How's the event?
It was good. At least I won Nico.
Yeah, he won something. On God. How's the event?
Kinda
Look at the camera, bro.
nakakapagod. Ang masasabi ko lang
Look
ay,
at the camera.
this song was brought to you by
Look at the camera.
Alaksan. Mas matutuwa si Mrs. kapag mabilis kang labasan. Putang ina.
Bubas yun, tanga.
I'll get you ticket.
Shika no kono kono kokostan tan. Shika no kono kono kokostan tan.
Shika no kono kono ko. Kamusta yung event?
Okay lang, and had fun. Sayang.
Iba'y ko nung kanilang hintay.
Hoy!
Event, kamusta yung event?
Maganda. I meet some new people. Ganun. And pahirapan.
Did you cook? Did you cook?
Ano yun?
Did you cook?
Yep. Luto tayo tosino.
Ayaw nga, nagkalas yung sino. Keiko, pwede ka ma-interview. Interview. Tapos yung event, di ba? Kamusta yung event? Ha?
Hindi ako sasagot ko. Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Oo.
Kasi yung jowa mo,
Hinahanap ko.
busy tayo ka na mag-interview sa inyo. Masyado kayong sweet. I'm recording. So, how's the event?
Tayo?
Dick, where's Tekken 8? Where's the Tekken 8 stall? Come on, I came for this.
Oh God, where the fuck is it?
What's up?
What the fuck? Rodney, asan ka Rodney? Ba't wala ka dito Rodney? Rodney! There's an update, he's still studying. Look at him, he's still studying. How's you?
I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm gonna kill
Bro,
Busan.
you look sad as shit, bro.
Nag-cramps yung pa ako.
Nag-cramps. Okay, go. Nag-cramps yung paa niya o tanggalin mo ha. Nag-cramps yung paa niya, tanggalin mo ha.
Ako nga yung nabigay ng upuan na ayaw niya ng upuan. May options ba?
Oh, yan na yung gumot mo tol. Good luck.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm entering my bed. Had a few dreams about you. I can't tell you what we did. I expected to see you in the morning run again. Oh, I
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I got feelings, I just push it cause it's in my DNA. I got millions, I got riches building in my DNA. I got young, I got evil that rot inside my DNA. I got love, I got trouble, some heart inside my DNA. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Pushing culture, baby, got that product